बैरिस्टर इमरान हुसैन की बरतानवी पार्लियामेंट में इंडिया की जानिब से लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल की खिलाफ वर्जी करने और इंसानी हुकूक की पामाली पर गुफ्तगू करते हुए क्या कहना था, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Thank you, Madam Deputy Speaker. Can I join other honourable members in our unanimous condemnation of terrorism in all its forms? And can I also welcome the Minister's efforts to de-escalate this very dangerous situation? Can I also welcome the voices of all those people on all sides of this that continue to voice with reason, the message of de-escalation, peace and stability in that region, and in particular the Pakistani government and Imran Khan in their real gesture of peace to release the captured Indian pilot. Madam Deputy Speaker, at the heart of this continues to be the sons and daughters of Kashmir, and tragically today, again, I did not hear anywhere in the Minister's statement the outright condemnation of the continued human rights violations. And just this morning, I have had constituents who have given me reports of ceasefire violations in Bimber, Kotli and Smani districts, which has left people injured and many running and fleeing. So can I urge the Minister to demand an urgent end to the ceasefire violations and actually urge the Indian government, as Pakistan has done, to allow the international community to come together and act as mediators to allow an end to the human rights violations.